Last time on Pokemon Adventure, Trainer Vloggy is still struggling to beat all the gyms and stuff. Welcome for some more Pokemons. Man, this intro is just gorgeous. I need to make a point not to chew in the microphone like this. I'm sorry. Pokemon! Hey, Victory Leo, welcome! You are first. Entry, please take a seat. Welcome. Alright, enough. Last time, on Vloggy's journey to become the Pokemon Master, I forgot what he did last time, so we're gonna check. It's been a while. Oh yeah! I did this. I finished this, right? I healed myself, if I remember correctly. 37. I'm just trying to remember what I did last. Good job rescuing the Yangoose, kiddo. Come on, let's head back to Ether House. But I don't want to go to Ether House. I hope you guys can hear the game just fine. And me. Trying to remember when I need to go. Actually, you know what? I can just fly. I forgot about that. So, Charizard. We're gonna go to the Ether House, apparently. Where's my stylus? That's over all the way there. Hold on. There we go. Let them pass out. Let them pass out. Alright, so I need to go here, I think. Pokemon is life. So I need to go to the Ether House, apparently. So there's a marker over there. Na, 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 na. There we go. This is the Ether House, right? I think. There we go. We're home. We brought Yangoose with us too. Q. Whoa! What's going on here? Vloggy, I'm sorry. I can't even make myself smile right now. What? Why? But why? What happened? Miss Lily. She's gone. Several hours earlier. Alright, yeah. This is the thing. You people! I'm gonna do her voice. After I eat the sausage. You people! Not gonna disappear this time, huh? Seems like maybe we'll tell tales we heard about you were wrong. Well, I don't know what's going on. That was different. Nibby and I were both in trouble. That was the only reason why it used its power, so we both could escape with our lives. I know that I'm not capable of much myself, but I will not make it use that power again. I'm determined not to let that happen. That's why. This time, I'll do whatever I can on my own, even if I do find myself in trouble again. Yo, look at me, I dance. Yo, girl, you know, you're in trouble right now, right? Dumb, spoiled little princess. Leave her be. I like a girl who's not afraid to stand up for herself. And besides, I don't know about calling someone Pokemon Thief just cause she wanted to help out a Pokemon when it was suffering. Please, there's no need to hurt anyone else here. I will go with you willingly, wherever you want. And then she went. Time for another sausage. I'm eating sausages. What? I'm supposed to be a trainer. I've got all these Pokemon with me. But when it came down to it, Lily had to protect me. You're a noob. You're a noob. Lily, who's not even... oh. Lily, who's not even a trainer to begin with. Lily's not even... Oh, I like this guy. I'm voicing this guy as Vegeta.
Did I hear that right? It was Lily who took Cosmog.
Yeah, you know who Lily is.
I still couldn't protect them. Then what was the point of me even leaving home in the first place? I can't stand this useless feeling. I'll blow it away with everything I've got, Kakarot.
Oh, what? He's gonna battle me? Okay. Okay.
Go, Golbat!
I think he knows the psychic move, I think. If I remember correctly. Of course he does, he knows psychic. Come on. Wow. Wow, he's very strong. Okay. Good job, Matang. Who's next? Oh, I don't know what type of Pokemon he is. I mean, he's type null. I don't know what kind of Pokemon he is. Just gonna have to find out. Okay. Whoops. I'm gonna try something else. Whoa! I don't know how this is gonna work. Oh, okay, so he's what is he then? If I'm ghost, he's fairy. Oh man, I'm gonna have to look it up because I'm confused now. Time to look up stuff. Time to cheat. Cerebi.net, please. There we go. Sorry, I have to do this. I have no idea what type Null is, what type of Pokemon he is, so I just wasted a few turns. So, Pokédex, 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 Sun and Moon Pokédex. PQRST, type, Null. Is he fairy? He's normal type? Okay, so the move he used. Wait, oh, okay, yeah, he's normal, of course. Hey, Philly! Hello! Hello, Philly. Alright, so he's a normal type. So if he's sleeping on normal, fight. But Dream Eater is psychic. Not ghost, so it should affect him. That's so strange. How come it doesn't affect him? No, 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 no. I'm gonna switch. Big Red, come on, you do this. That was a fun stream last night, Philly, wasn't it? That last time, it was last night for me. I slept and woke up and now I'm eating sausages. Look, yeah, my tummy was not okay up until like 8 AM. Now it's okay, it's noon right now, so, but, man, worth it though, worth it. Alright, Hydro Pump.
That's good enough for me. Oh, okay! Whoa! Oh, it was a Zoroark! No wonder! No wonder! God dang it! I'm like, if he's a normal type, why couldn't I use Dream Eater? Because he was in disguise. Now it makes sense! Good one. Good one, good one, good one. Fair enough. My goodness, that was tricky. So one more here. I don't know. I might do a celebration when I hit 2K. Who knows? Who knows? I think yeah, when I hit 2K. Gonna do a Dragon Rage now. Dragon Rage attack! Uh oh, he woke up. Hyper voice. Oh man, another Dragon Rage. Come on. Yeah, when I hit 2K, I'll definitely do another one for sure. I'm not that far away though, am I? I don't know. I like Moxie. Thank you. Let's keep going. I drop pump again. Wow! Alright, Dragon Rage perhaps. Crunch. Come on, flinch. Won't flinch. Time to have another sausage. You're very welcome, Philly. Thank you so much for hanging out. You get some rest, buddy. So now, I should be able to do this. Come on, unless he is faster than me. Go to sleep. Hypnosis. Use hypnosis. No! Avoided the attack. Crap, he died. Rip. 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 Okay. That's okay. No problem. Can I use Salandit? Can I pull this off? I think I can. Let's do this. Oh, come on, man! Oh! He's thrashing me, huh? He's thrashing me. Alright, Pikachu, you're up. Go, Pikachu! So cute. Use Thunder. Actually, you know what? It's an overkill, but let's do it, because it's cute. Let's do this. I'll never get tired of watching this. Never.
That was wrong of me. I shouldn't have dragged you into a meaningless battle like that. But I told you both. I told you that Cosmog would bring disaster to all of Alola. I have to get it back from them. Come help me, Kakarot. We'll leave from the ferry terminal. You're coming with me whether you like it or not. So the only question is, are you ready to come now or not?
I guess yes. Should I go heal first though? Let's go now, whatever.
Good, then let's go.
My impeccable Vegeta voice. Hey gaming, welcome. How are you? Nice to see you. I'm gonna keep doing my Vegeta voice for Gladion.
So, we're waiting for How?
He'll come. Just go.
Yeah, I guess so. He's a pretty interesting kid, I'll give you that.
He's not, but anyway.
Growing up in the great Kahuna's shadow and still trying to stand up to Hala as an equal.
I'm not even reading the sentences with sense. Let's just read the sentence first and then I'll do it.
I couldn't do it.
He's the tired old man. He's very tired. Look at his face. Hold on. Officer Nanu!
I'm tired. If only Team Skull could have just kept themselves and their troublemaking to Po Town. Why they have to make all this fuss, huh? You there, boy! I'm an island kahuna, you know, battle against me. It'll be a good experience if you're really hoping to master the island challenge.
Okay, I will. Nanu. I know it's Nanu, but I think Nanu is funnier to say. I'm gonna burp now, hold on.
You are challenged by the island kahuna, Nanu!
Bring it on, Nanu. I'm gonna crush you. So he is a ghost type, I think. He should be, I think. Let's go.
Psychic! Use Psychic!
No, Vegeta.
Uh-oh. Oh no! Ooh. I'm glad Bill is not here and V4. They would mock me so much right now. Let's try with Gengar. Gengar! I'm getting trashed, but don't worry. I've got another ace up my sleeve. Use Hypnosis! Oh no! Come on, you gotta do this, you gotta do this, you gotta do this! One Hypnosis, please! Yes! This is why I like this game so much. It's tough, it's not an easy Pokemon game. It's a very tough one. So yeah. So fight! Now please, please, please Dream Eater. No effect. Alright, so I'm just gonna have to keep going with the Shadow Ball. Let's go. Because he's Dark type, I forgot. He's Ghost and Dark, I think. Ah, full heal! Are you kidding me? I'm scared to, I'm gonna have to do another Hypnosis. Come on. Come on, you can do this. Don't miss. You missed. He's trashing me. Garbage. Actually, my strong Pokemon is this one. Let's just use our strong Pokemon right away. That's it. Calling in the big guns. We're gonna do this now. Use Crunch. Bye, have a great time. Oh wow. Because he's dark, I keep forgetting that. Uh-oh. Alright, no worries, no worries. Bye, have a great time still. He's giving him a potion now as well? But lowers his defense. Can I attack first again? Come on, come on. Ooh, his low defense went down even more. But he's gonna trash me now, I think. No, we're good, we're good, we're good. He cheated, he used a lot of items to heal, so... Okay. Dragon Dance! I'm gonna remove Mimic. Let's go. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna try something. I'm gonna try something. Oh, Gengar fainted actually. I can't try anything. Never mind. Hydro Pump. Oh, wow! Strong! Oh, rip, Big Red. Rip. That's okay. So, he's a Dark type. Alright. Salandit, come on. He's a baby. Salandit is a little baby, but he needs the training, so come on, you can do this. Use Toxic. Come on, Toxic. You're toxic! Oh, poor guy. Oh, man. I'm saving the best for last, to be honest with you. Let's use Pikachu now. Let's do this. Why not? I'll just have some peanuts in the meantime. Whoa, my DS. Oh, wow. No, I'm gonna have to keep holding it because it just slid off the desk. That's scary. Scary stuff right there. He went first? What just happened? What just happened? What just happened? Wasn't I supposed to go first? Oh my goodness, I'm getting trashed. Alright, this is my strongest Pokemon. I saved it for last, so I don't know, should be better. So, let's try again with this thing. Gotta have some peanuts. Come on! Ooh, that's a lot. Oh my goodness, I got trashed. I was too busy doing the peanuts to realize I just got trashed. Never mind. Nanu is strong. Hey, Epic Gamer, welcome. That's okay. I have a strategy and this time it's gonna work. I promise you guys. I promise you, I promise you, I promise you. I think. Hold on. I need my stylus to do this. There we go. Wanna hear what happened tonight? Yeah, sure, why not? Tell me. As long as it's appropriate. No! What was that anything about saving? What the heck? Hey, Nikki! Hello! Welcome! Hello! How are you? How's everything going with Nikki? I missed you last night. You weren't there for the Chili Pili hot stream. It was really good. You missed it. Thank you, Nikki. It was a lot of work, but I made it work. And yesterday I had fun doing the floaty head around. It was so funny. I did the floaty vloggy head. Alright, I'm gonna trash him this time. I'm gonna trash him. This time it's gonna happen. That was awesome, Epic. That is epic, Epic. Alright, I'm gonna trash this guy. This one's for Nikki.
Go! Go, Sableye!
Go, Gengar! Gengar! We're gonna do this. Wait, you said I was gonna kill it when a shiny popped in my view. I was like, oh my god, why was it a fail? It was epic. Daryl, hello, welcome. Welcome, look, it's with the green screen now. Look, I'm a professional streamer now. Alright. Fight.
Fight!
Hypnosis. We're gonna do this. Oh, come on! He keeps missing attacks! And he's gonna trash me with one attack, probably. Come on, pull this off. One attack, hypnosis. Just land the hypnosis attack. Yes! Gonna do this. Oh, Daryl, you missed it yesterday. Yesterday? Well, I mean, for me it was yesterday. I don't know about you guys. It was still the same day. But I did a chili stream. It was... Thank you for the sponsor! Oh my goodness! Wait for the alert. Wait for the alert. Wait for the alert. There should be an alert real quick. Hold on. Where's the alert? I think there's a bit of a delay. Shh, let's wait for the alert. Let's wait for the alert. Let's wait for the alert. Come on. I did an awesome alert. Oh. Why no music? Oh, because I muted it! Is that it? Is that why? Did you guys hear it? I don't think you did, because I muted it. Oh, I'm so sorry! Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much for the sponsor, Daryl. You're awesome. Oh, man. Because I muted... I wanted to mute the game so you guys can hear the actual music. And when I muted, I just... Thank you for subscribing, Epic Gamer. So I muted the game, but I also muted the whole sound. No pants icon, I know, right? Oh man, yesterday was so funny. We were playing Quiplash. We did a stream. We played Quiplash, and I told them if I don't make it top, you know, there's like 8 players participating, and I told them if I don't make it top 3, I'm gonna eat a chili. So I ate the chili, and it was so hot. It was so painful. It was really hot. They were these small ones, but it was so hot. Take your time, Nikki, no problem. And after a couple of chilies, I decided I wanted some company. So I invited Cheer on Facecam, you know, on video call. And he ate chilies with me. He ate 6 or 7, something like that, between 6 or 7. He did it on... He wore a tie like me. he was all dressed up. It was so funny. And then I had Sakura later joining in on video call as well. That's so funny. Alright, so I managed to put Sableye to sleep. Hold on. We can't get distracted with this one. I'm doing a strategy right here. Big Red, you go! Yeah, he ate like 6 or 7, but then he had to go off the camera real quick because I think his back started acting up or something. He wasn't feeling well. Oh, he woke up! No! He woke up. That's okay. Dragon Dance. Come on, can we do this? Dragon Dance. If I can pull off a Dragon Dance, it gets really stronger. Hey! Dylan, welcome. Right back. No problem. No wrong. Yeah, he was a badass. That's the word. And they were these long ones. I've had those before. He ate like 7, but then he had to go off camera. I wasn't feeling well. But it was this back. It had nothing to do with the chilies. But me, man, I was going like this. It was so hot. Oh man, and I had to get up out of bed all night, going to the bathroom. It was so hot. Oh man. But now I'm better. Anyway. So, my strategy. Let's continue. What if I do... Hydro Pump? Let's try Hydro Pump. No! He keeps avoiding the attack! Hey, Navi, hello! Welcome. Let's try again. Come on. The Dragon Dance didn't do much. What if I do a Dragon Rage? Would that be enough? Let's see. The Dragon Dance didn't do much. Never mind. Ah, well. That's okay. If I use Matanki's Ghost and Dark, so there's no point in... Let's use this one. Alright, let's see. You know I still haven't finished this game. This game came out when? November? October? I still haven't finished it. This is still a blind run for me. It's embarrassing. But so many games, so little time. That's the thing. That's my problem. So, Metal Claw. He's gonna trash me again, because I'm psychic. Oh my goodness. My Pokemon are weak, I think. But this game is tough. I'm gonna go out with the big guns right away. Yes, Nebby, it's a new thing. I started yesterday. I did my midnight and I debuted my green screen and my new camera. Yes, it's gonna be like the format from now on. From now on, as long as I look decent on camera, my hair and everything, I will do face cam from now on. This is especially meant for my horror streams. I'm gonna be doing regular horror streams with jump scare notifications and alerts. And I've got a bunch of games, loads of games that I never played, horror games. So it's gonna be hilarious to see me jump, you know, with this jump scares. Yeah. Alright, so. One more Dragon Rage, come on, you can do this. Come on, Charizard! Okay. Eating peanuts? I deserve peanuts right now. $38. Persian. He's fast. Persian is fast. He might trash me. Let's see. Come on, you got this. Inferno Overdrive. Come on, do this. Thank you, Nebby. Yes, you're gonna do this. I hope you have a lovely year too. We're gonna do this. We're not gonna do this. Oh, we did. Krokorok. Let's keep going with Charizard for now. Let's see what we can do. I love Krokorok. I think he's cute. Can I smoke screen him? Just once? Just once. I'll be happy with just once. Nope. Nope, not even once. Not even once. Can I pull this off? Can we send him to sleep? Come on. Nope. My goodness, man. Can I pull this off with the Salandit? Let's see. I hope. I don't think so. I don't think so. Can I attack first? If I can attack first, it would make me very, very happy. Come on, let's try. Oh my goodness, this guy... None was thrashing me. Now I cannot do anything because I have Pikachu and electric moves and... he's ground type or something. I'm gonna try anyway though. I have... Iron Tail? How strong is Iron Tail? Hold on. It has a power of 100. I think it's better than Slam. Yeah, I'm gonna go with Iron Tail. Let's go. Iron Tail! Wow, he's fast. He's gonna confuse me. It is tough, Daryl. It is tough. And I like a hard Pokemon game. Oh, he attacked himself. Oh, come on. And drip. I didn't do anything either. I could revive somebody epic, but I want to do it legit. To me, reviving is... Wait. Wait. He wants to evolve. Hold on. I'm gonna check if there are any other moves that I want him to learn. Want her to learn, actually. It's a her. Salandit. Bear with me. I'm gonna check real quick the moveset. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it for now. Because Salandit learns Flamethrower eventually. Salandit doesn't know Flamethrower for now, so I'm gonna leave it for now. Ah, it's not easy. It's trashing me, huh? No, I'm not gonna evolve him. No evolving for you. Let's try again. I can't believe this. I keep messing this up. I'm gonna have a sausage now. Sausage. Sausage. Hold on. Let's go. Yeah, I'm gonna have to use revives. I'm gonna have to use revives. I didn't want to, but I do have revives. That's fine, I think. Too lazy to check. Can I just fly straight to here? No way. No. Let me see if I have revives. I think I do. I think I bought a bunch last time. Last time on Dragon Ball Z. Max potions, max revives. Okay. I don't have revives actually. Are you sure, Vloggy? It sounds like potions, max revive, full restore. I was pretty sure I had. Looks like I don't. I should buy a bunch because I'm gonna keep losing money if I keep losing to this guy, so. Whoa. What's going on? No, it's not. No, it's not! It's not. It's not. It's not. It's not! Stop! Stop! Everybody stop! It's not my birthday! It's so funny. It's not my birthday. I don't know where that came from. Is that a bug? I don't know. I love the music. No! Stop! 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 It's not... I don't know. Maybe it's a bug. It was supposed to be Happy New Year or something. I don't know. I like the music though. So cute. How many can I buy? I can buy 63. Cody, it's yours. Maybe I have your copy of the game. I don't know. What's going on? How strange is that? What's the date on my 3DS anyway? Let's take a look. Hold on. I'm checking. It's the 1st of the 1st, Monday. I don't get it. The 1st of the 1st is not my birthday. On my actual birthday, I did get this. On my actual birthday, which is the 19th of July, I did get this. And now, so weird. I'm not gonna do a fairy type. Nah, that'll make the game too easy, Nebby. No need. No need. That's okay. No need. Actually, this way. You know what the problem is? I keep missing my first hypnosis attack. If I can land my first hypnosis attack... Let's try again. Come on, Nanu! You have my favorite Pokemon. Which is it? Charizard. It's everybody's favorite Charizard. Could be yours, too. Let's go, Nanu!
Sableye, go!
Alright, let's see if I can land my first hit. Hypnosis, please. Yes! Now he's gonna be a cheater. Actually, you know what? It's me, Vloggio! You like Mario? Woohoo! Mario #1! Let's go! Alright. You know what he's gonna do? He's gonna heal right away. I think he's gonna do that right away. There you go. Now I'm gonna do another hypnosis. Please work. Please don't fail. Yes! That's how I win. I won't be using potions. That's it. We're done. I'm not gonna be using potions. I hope. I hope. I hope. It's not my birthday. It's not my... The game trolled me. Now he's gonna heal him. He's gonna give him a full heal or something. Look. Not full heal, a potion. He's gonna give him a potion, look. That's what's making this fight hard, because he's using potions and I'm not. That's what's happening. He's got tough Pokemon, but he's healing and stuff. It's not. Yes, I'm gonna change it. Since the game if the game says so. Okay, I guess the game is saying it's my birthday, so I'll just have to change my birthday to the day. Oh, me too, Cody. I wish I could be a mod, but what can you do? Oh, he woke up! Uh-oh! I'm gonna go first, though. He's Rip. He's Rip. Bye, have a great time! Epic nose. Alright. Krokorok. He's gonna attack first. That's the problem. He's gonna attack first. I wish there was a way I could attack first. We'll see. Can I hypnosis him? I don't think I can, but I'm gonna try. No, he's fast. He's fast. At least he's gonna use Earthquake, and now my Cursed Body is going to disable his Earthquake, so at least. We're at just 20 to 30. 20 to 30. Here. Oh, that's true. Because my DS is set to the Australian region. I think. So my time is fake, kind of. I changed my region to Australia, so I can download the games faster, earlier, when they get released. You know, because they get released first in Australia, because of time zones. That's my strategy. Now then, can I use... I would love to try use Salandis again, but I'm scared. Let's try. If I can get him to Toxic. The time here over here is 12:36 AM. PM, sorry, PM. Can I Toxic you, please? Please, let me Toxic you. But my Cursed Body! What happened? Okay, okay. I thought I cursed his body. I don't know. That's okay, guys. No problem. No problem. Don't worry about it. I have Big Red. I forgot I have Big Red. Alright. I dare you now. I dare you, Krokorok. I dare you. Oh, he's daring, huh? It's like, okay. I'm gonna make you angry. Okay. Oh, he hurt himself. Come on! Come on, come on. We can do this. Hydro Pump. Yes! Bye, have a great time! I can get all of them if I wanted, Cody. I could do that too, but I don't know. Hold on, let me just check my phone real quick. Vlogging should work with Nintendo's Mario voice. As if... Okay, so let's go. Keep battling. Yeah, why not? But this guy's very fast, his Persian. He's very, very fast. He's got a lot of fastness. Go with Hydro Pump again. Ah. I might flinch. I might flinch. And there we go, we flinched. Come on! The odds are always in favor of my opponents. I don't know why. No! But, ooh! Yes! Alright, not bad. Not bad, not bad, not bad. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna waste this round so that I can... Oh, come on. I'm gonna waste this turn so that I can... Ooh! HP Restore, Roto. Let's do this. It goes all the way up? Oh, nice! Oh, nice! I feel like it's cheating though, the Roto Lotto thing. I trashed him now, he's rip, he's rip. He's history. No! He avoided the attack! Are you freaking kidding me? My goodness, man. Cheater! Hacks! Come on. No, 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 Charizard is not a good idea. Nobody's a good idea, actually, against this guy. Let's go with Matang. My goodness. Oh my goodness, it's happening again. I'm sucking bad right now, I'm sorry. I just need better speed. What if I can go with Pikachu? Hold on. Let me try this real quick. I don't know, it depends how fast Pikachu is. Come on, Pikachu, can you outspeed Persian? Can you do this with the thing, with the 10 million? Oh no, he's gonna go for... Oh my goodness. Rip. I thought it did, Nebby, to be honest with you. I thought it did. Alright, Charizard, come on. Can you pull this off? Can you? No, Power Gem. Oh! We might do this. It's gonna happen. Charizard is the winner. Yes, finally! That's okay, Cody. I would love to trade with you, but not today. I'm playing the game. You know how it is. Nobody! Great stream last night. Thank you so much. Thank you for saying that. That means a lot. I'm glad you enjoyed it. My butthole didn't. Oh, man, that was hilarious, huh? It was hilarious. We'll do it again when I hit 2k subs. Come on, we're not that far off. You received... No, that's not what he said. Hold on, I'm gonna do the old man voice again. Look at that. There we go, I think. That's okay, Cody, no problem. I can get all the shinies if I want, like this. Like this. Genetic engineering, it's called. I'm a scientist. I can get any Pokemon I want. As you can see, I have 2 of them. One of them is legit, the other one isn't. It always, I know, right? That's what I always say. That's why my theory that we have taste buds down there, because you can feel the heat. So I believe that we have taste buds down there. Oh man, but yeah, it burns going out. Yeah, oof, oof. At least I'm better now. Anyway, whoosh, shoot! He's laughing. He's laughing. Look at that. He's laughing. Or he's having a seizure. He has a sad face, but he's laughing. Look at that! He's having a seizure. He couldn't handle the loss. Oh man. He's having a seizure.
That's what you get when you mess with the warrior. Well, shoot. Of course I already knew that you had the heart and the strength to storm Team Skull's stronghold. But I didn't know you were this good. And your Pokemon worked real hard for you. Let me fix...
I'm eating peanuts and I'm, you know... Ugh.
Here, this is yours.
Oh, he gave me a thing? Did I just beat the trial? Did I? Feels like it. Nice.
If you want to use the Dark type Z power, you've got to do like this.
Oh, he's gonna do the dance now with his sad face. Look at that, they're like speechless.
There! Congratulations, or whatever. You officially finished
Your Ula Ula trials. Okay, so it's off to the next island, I guess. Or are we done with everything?
You've got somewhere else to be, don't you? Try not to destroy the whole place.
I'll try. But then again, I am the destructor. So, you know.
Oh, and you, boy, Gladian, tell me, if you're really trying to get stronger, as you say, then what are you pretending on Team Skull for?
Depending, not pretending. I can't read. And now this guy.
Don't you say a word. Don't you dare say a word about this being fun.
If I'd been stronger, I'd been the kind of trainer who could seize victory like Dortrix once, too. Then Lily wouldn't have...
Oh, I hate this. I hate this character. I hate this character so much. He abuses Smiling. You know, there's Smiling and abusing Smiley. Nebby, I think you're very behind on the stream. I noticed you are referencing stuff that happened a while ago. I think your stream is behind. Click the live button at the bottom because I think you're behind on stream. But where was Lily taken? No. Hold on, time to make another Vegeta voice.
So you're not quite as dumb as you are naive. It'll be Ether Paradise.
That was almost the old man voice. I need to be careful. I need to get the voices right. I should have given somebody a Mario voice, actually. Why didn't I do that?
Ether Paradise's harbor. We made it this far without running into trouble. But I don't like how quiet it is. You two, stay alert.
Hey, Phantom! Hello, welcome! Nice to see you. Nice to see you. Yeah, first day of 2018. Best way to start it is play video games. I hope you have a lovely year. Okay, so how...
She will just be.
Alright, you wanna give How the Super Mario voice? Haha! This is a guy! Fine, so what do you do? What are we going to do? Whatever.
I guess we take the elevator.
You guess? We are following this guy. We don't have any plan. Let's go. So much dialogue in this game. That's what I hate so much about this game. I think they went easy. They cut down on dialogue, but it's still a long. This guy's gonna challenge me. You gonna battle me, buddy? It's a duck trio with a wig. With wigs.
Gengar.
So what are we gonna do? Hypnosis. Please don't miss. And it missed. Amazing. Earthquake? Oh, dig. You know what I'm gonna do then? Pokemon? I'm gonna switch to something that levitates. Charizard, I guess? Should be okay, right? He's flying, right? 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 Ah, sucker! Alright. There we go. $48. Toucannon. Is he a normal type? I don't know. I have no idea. Is he a normal type? Is he a water type? I have no idea. I would love to raise this Pokemon. Dragon Rage! Screech. He lowered my defenses, right? Yeah, okay. Flamethrower. GG. Thank you. Hey, Phoenix is lit. Welcome to the stream. Nice to see you. Starting off the year with some Pokemon. Oh, look at that. Is she gonna go around the box or not? No. Just play a little hide and seek. I know, right, Phoenix? I know, right? I just that's me when it comes to my gaming channel. Whatever I stream is whatever I feel like playing. Honestly, that's what it is. I mean, I want to play what makes me happy. So this morning I woke up feeling Pokemon. I love Pokemon. So how are we gonna play this? Hypnosis. Now, Dream Eater. Now he's transformed into the Psychic type. Nice. This all has a plan. All this has a plan, I mean. I cannot English. Now I can use Shadow Ball on him. You see? You see? And he will rip. Nice. Yeah, I mean, I'd love to have a schedule and stuff, but what if I don't feel like playing, I don't know, what if I don't feel like playing Minecraft on a Friday? What if I feel like playing a scary game? You know, that's what it is, that's what it is with me. Honestly, I don't go by what generates views or what generates the attention or whatever's mainstream. If I feel like playing Pokemon, I don't care if I get 1 viewer or 3, you know, or 50, I'm gonna play Pokemon. That's how it is. It is what it is. So he's gonna take out Stoutland. Stoutland's a normal type, so switch Pokemon. And I'm gonna use... Come on, Salandit. Now you're getting stronger. You should be able to handle the Stoutland. Come on. He's still a baby, poor thing, but he needs the training. So, Toxic. Roar. That's fine. Fine by me. As long as you're toxic, I don't care. What's coming out? Yeah, Neb, you are definitely behind on the... You are definitely behind on the stream. It's been a while since I asked what... about Toucannon. It's been a while. So you are behind on stream. You need to click the live button so you actually come to the present. You're still in the past. Alright, so I'm out with Pikachu now. And we're gonna use... Thunder. Oh, he avoided the attack. That cheater. Try again. Yeah, exactly. Alright, poor Pikachu, but at least I did something. That's a lot of damage. Actually, that wasn't a lot of damage, to be honest with you. Who needs to get the XP? I think it's Matang. Matang is gonna have to take the XP. Come on, Matang, you can do this. I'm sure he has better speed than I do, so... Fight... We're gonna go with Psychic? Yeah, why not? Let's go with Psychic. Retaliate? Uh-oh. Ooh, that was a ninja move. that's what it looks like. Ninja Sensei! Bye, have a great time. Whoa! And with a poison grip. $39. Not yet, my friend, not yet. I'm gonna be very proud of you when you evolve, but not today, not right now. Probably not today either. So let's keep moving. Ah, she spotted me. I wanted to see if I could get past her. Looks like not. That's okay. I love me an Arbok. Can I pull off Hypnosis? Come on. I think he's gonna go first. No. Ooh! I missed. Mud Bomb. Ouch! Ouch! Come on, you need to do that. You need to do this! Hypnosis! Yes. You like the team? Not many people do, actually. I've been picked on because of my team in the past. So I'm glad you like it, but I don't care. As long as I like it. Let's go. 3-meter attack. This is gonna hurt. I told you. Ooh, look at that. Let's go with a Shadow Ball now. We're gonna be okay. Yeah, they tell me it's not balanced and everything, and I don't have all the types. Lurantis, it's grass type if I'm not mistaken. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna send you to sleep. And then... I'm gonna switch. Oh no! Ouch. I remember the first time I used that attack was with my Grovyle back in Ruby and Sapphire. That doesn't work much. It's not very... I mean, it's super effective, but it doesn't drain much. I need to get some sort of Giga Drain or something. Leech Life is not that good. Ooh, critical, of course. Of course it's a crit. I'm just enjoying training my my Salandit a little bit. That's all. That's all there is to it. And we're done. And there we go. Beep boop beep. That was something. There was an item over there. I missed it. There's an item. I don't know if you guys can see it on the stream. It's at the very top, next to Gladian's head. Ah, man.
Just like I thought.
What were you doing there?
It looks like outsiders can't use the main elevator to reach the lower levels. I was afraid this might happen. But still, what a pain. We don't have any choice. We'll have to go up.
I, Faba, am the Ether Branch Chief. The only one in the world. I'm irreplaceable. And here you come back uninvited?
Like you don't know why. You of all people should know everything that happens in the Ether Foundation. Isn't that right, High and Mighty Branch Chief?
Heh heh heh. Look at you. Living out in the world hasn't been kind, has it?
You can't go. You can't go down after cutscene. Oh, okay, that's great. Thank you, Nebby. I'll do that right away. I'm just gonna finish this. I'm enjoying the voices. We have Vegeta, a douchebag, and Mario right now.
But I'm still not letting you. I'm still not telling you anything, and you of all people should understand why. Gladian.
Hey, Vloggy! You know why being a trainer is so great? Because when you're battling, it doesn't matter if you're a kid or an adult. Everyone's equal in Pokemon battle.
Oh ho ho. Is that right? Is that what you think? So you wish to battle me, Branch Chief Faba?
He speaks of himself highly.
The man who called Ether Paradise last line of defense is to battle a mere child. As you will.
Let's do this. Alright. I'm gonna enjoy this. He only got one Pokemon, so I'm gonna trash him. Hypno. He can be very strong, Hypno, so I need to be careful. Whoever attacks first is gonna be the winner, I think. Actually, hold on. Never-ending nightmare. Oh no, I cannot do that. I need to send him to sleep first, I think. No! Ah, crap, wrong attack, whatever. Ooh, nice. So I'll just use another Shadow Ball then. Bye, have a great time. Dark Pulse. Ooh. What move is this? Let's read about it real quick. The user releases a horrible aura imbued with dark thoughts. This may also target flinch. 80. It's a dark type move. Instead of Shadow Ball, perhaps. What about Shadow Ball? It has a power of 80. Now I'm gonna leave it as it is. I'm fine the way I am.
Aye.
We're gonna have a sausage now. For the victory. Victory sausage. Hold on. Let's do the voice again.
How can this be? How could this child?
Oh, look at you, Vloggy. The Faba is real strong too.
So, as I said, Faba, you of all people know why I'm here for, what I'm here for.
Indeed. The world truly hasn't been kind to you, has it? Look how hard it has made you. Giggity. If you're looking for Cosmog, I suppose it might be downstairs.
Down the stairs! Oh yeah, Miss Wicked did say there was another farther down, didn't she? What do you do down there?
Experiments to reach a world different from Alola. That's what I've been told, yes.
We're in a bit of a hurry, Faba. A lift would be nice.
Why not? This is an act of kindness I can do for you thanks to my position as a branch chief.
We're going down again. Beep boop beep. Another sausage.
Everything looks the same. I guess it's only been 2 years though.
Wow, it's a secret hideout.
Don't get too excited, Mario. I guess I better. Though I guess it's better than freezing from fear or nerves.
So where do we go now?
There are 2 labs up ahead. I'll check the first lab, Secret Lab A. You check out Secret Lab B. It's the second lab down the hall.
Why do you get the first one? And why do you know all of this?
Just focus, how, Mario? Think you can do that? We can't trust Faba. I'm sure he's already.
I'm tired of reading, man. I'm tired of reading. Take a this. Lily must be so scared right now. Let's buckle down and do this. Uh-oh, what's going on here? Intruder spotted! We'll protect our secret labs. Uh-oh. Mark. So this guy is a dark type now, right? I keep confusing now the types. He must be a dark type. So I'm not gonna do much here. I'm just gonna send him to sleep, at least. I'm gonna go all out. Inferno Overdrive! come on! At least he's still sleeping. So we got that one in our favor. Slash him up. Slash him up real good. There we go. Oh, flamethrower! Hold on. Flamethrower is power 90, and flame burst is... yeah, it's definitely better. Okay. Any other moves that he might learn? Let me just check real quick before I decide to evolve him. So flamethrower. What about Dragon Pulse? No, I don't think I'm gonna. I don't think I'm gonna keep him baby anymore. He learned flamethrower. That's all I need now. She. It's a she. Why do you keep saying he? Yeah, I'm good. Time to evolve. Time to evolve. That means it's time to update my layout again. Hey, I didn't think this day would come. All right, give me a second. Oh, hold on. Salandit. Now I need to look for Salazzle, and I don't think I have this on this website because this website is old. So, Salazzle GIF. Let's see what I get. Oh, is this it? Is this good? Yes, good enough. Alright, time to evolve. Ooh, look at that, very pretty. Very big as well. It's not gonna fit in the box, and I don't want it any smaller. No, I'll just leave it as it is. That's okay. That's okay. I'm happy. Alright, let's see what it has to say about the new Pokemon. Salazzle. Beep boop beep. Salazzle, the toxic lizard Pokemon. It punishes Salandit. That couldn't bring it food with a fierce... Alright, it punishes Salandit that couldn't bring it food with a fierce slap of its flame-spewing palm. Okay, interesting. Took me a while to get the sense out of that sentence. Captivate? What does Captivate do? Let's see what Captivate does. Oops, never mind. I guess we'll never find out. Now this guy's gonna step forward and he's like,
I'll take care of you.
with a Vegeta voice as well. Magneton. So, I don't think I can send the Magneton to sleep, can I, with the hypnosis? I'm not so sure. I'm gonna try it. I'm not so sure. Looks like I can. I don't know why I assumed it wouldn't work. I don't know. Because it doesn't look like an organic Pokemon. Alright, let's try something new. Nice. Look at the beauty. Use flamethrower. Wow. Fully evolved and still. You got work to do, buddy. Hypnosis. I'm gonna switch Pokemon. Matang needs training. Wow. Very weak. I need this Pokemon to be stronger. What? Come on. Ooh, paralyzed. That's a tough Porygon. Porygon 2. Wow. That's okay. Go, Salazzle. Salazzle. Or I don't know how to pronounce it. Whoa! Oh my goodness. That's crazy. Oh! He's gonna faint anyway. He's gonna faint anyway after this attack. Look at that. Bye, have a great time. Victory sausage. He's going this way. Can you heal my Pokemon or something? Don't touch anything with your grimy hands. Hey, Tiffany! Hello! Sorry, I was distracted. I don't know if you've been there for a while. I'm distracted at the game. This researches our life. I don't care if you're a kid or what. I'll send you flying if you threaten it. Okay, here we go. You and I need to battle Pokemon, Tiffany, you and me. You and me, one of these days. You are challenged by blah blah blah. I like double battles, it's been a while. Okay, let's do this. It's losing frame rate right now because there's like 4 Pokemon on screen. It's amazing. Hypnosis. Gorbis, or whatever it's called. He's using Psychic. Okay. And mine avoided the attack. He just rolled out of bed. Oh. I got out of bed, had something to eat. Still am. Still am. With the sausage. I'm like, I want to play some Pokemon today. Let's go again. Hypnosis. At least I sent him to sleep. Or her. Now Dream Eater. Sausage. I love sausage. It's true, I love sausages, huh? Dream Eater, give me that health. Alright. And we're done. Sausage biscuits? I don't know what those are. Must be something. Must be something American. I may be an expert studying Pokemon, but I'm no expert when it comes to battling them. So why did you want to battle? But the guys lab next room are pretty experienced with battles. Okay, bye, have a great time. Stop talking, let's go! Did you beat this game, Tiffany? I still haven't. This is still a blind run for me. Come on, Vloggy, let's split up and look around. Maybe we'll find us some clue. Anything in here? Nope, 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 nope. Either report about wormholes, and there's not much to read, actually, I can do this. Beyond the ultra wormhouse that Professor Mon discovered lies a different dimension. By investigating the changes in mass there, we can predict the existence of Pokemon-like life. We have dubbed them Ultra Beasts for now. You have Ultra Sun, right? Or is it just Sun? Is it Sun or Ultra Sun? Report on Cosmo. Cosmo is hypothesized to be a type of Ultra Beast that hails from another dimension. A dimension that we have named Ultra Space. When placed under sufficient stress, it reveals the power to create an open Ultra Wormhouse in order to escape from its suffering. We are now working on a device that will allow us to manipulate the Ultra Wormhouse created when Cosmo is subjected to extreme stress. Oh wow. Wait, so Cosmo might be an Ultra Beast? Oh man. I should have done the Mario voice for that. We should tell Gladion about this. We should tell Gladion about this.
Did you find anything?
We learned a bit about the Cosmog. Like it might be an Ultra Beast or whatever. If you stress it a lot, you can create Ultra Wormholes. Maybe to run away or something.
If you stress it.
Just Sun, okay. It's a good game. It's very similar to this, to be honest with you. I honestly don't... I still haven't found a reason to justify the purchase of this game. Just slight changes, yes, but nothing major. They said that the changes come second half of the game, which I'm approaching now.
If you stress it, If you heard it, is that what you mean? Was that why she ran away with Cosmog? She always was too nice.
But we didn't find any sign of it down here.
Yeah. Faba probably knew this would be a dead end. Darn, did she outsmart us?
Did he? Was she? Oh, man. Alright. Let's go. Is there anything in here, though? Nothing. It's just the same thing. So there's some suspicious looking deleted files. Would you like... If they're deleted, you can't look at them, but anyway. Which file would you like to see? There's way too many. Oh, no, I'm not gonna read all that. Pfft, if I want to read a book, I'll just get a book, not play a game. Full restore. What? Multitasking? So much reading, but I have a good time. Pokemon stickers, interesting. I'm in need of some sun. I miss the sun. I don't think I've missed summer as much as I'm doing right now. I think this is the time I'm missing summer the most in my life. I don't know why. Entrance? Let's go to the entrance real quick. Because there was something I missed earlier. There was an item I forgot to pick up. It's not where I needed to come, actually.
Beat whoever stands in our way! What other choice do we have?
Fine, we can do that. But you do have to say all the time. Oh, we're surrounded. Hello, children. I'm afraid Chiva has given us orders regarding you three. Now that you've learned the darkness of the Heart Eater Paradise, we all need you to conveniently disappear. How are you gonna do? Magic? Whoa, Vloggy! Battle with me! Stickers for the toolbox. I would love to get a coloring book for Pokemon, so that I can color them when I get a chance. I don't know, I like that. I like coloring. Alright, so, my Gengar. Actually, you know what? I'm not gonna waste time with the hypnosis thingy. Just go Shadow Ball all the way. Let's go. Ooh! Nice. Yeah, I mean, last time I bought a coloring book was like a year ago. I bought the Dragon Ball coloring book. So that I can color the Dragon Ball characters. I don't know, it's just... And the thing is, when I was coloring in Vegeta, you know, I learned that Vegeta could go Super Saiyan God, so I colored his hair blue. Oh man. It's very relaxing. Honestly, it's very relaxing coloring. With the pencils and the crayons. It's not for kids only. Maybe I should do a coloring stream. I just color stuff. I get a drawing book and I stream myself coloring. Maybe I should do that. Oh man.
This is what you get when you mess with the warrior. I mean, this is what you get when you go through the trials of the Island Challenge. Now that you understand, how about you get out of our way?
And they listened. They obeyed. Phew, thanks Vloggy and Gengar. If I did put my part better have... The fuzzy things? What fuzzy things? You'll be able to... You can't afford to lose.
Let's go! You know, I know we aren't friends, but I'm glad you two are here.
Young master. Ooh, what do you mean, young master? It has been a long time. And hello you two, Vloggy and How. Please allow me to heal your Pokemon. I'm not so sure what you're talking about, Tiffany. I'm not so sure. I'm not even sure if I've ever seen something like that. I don't know.
What happened to Lily? Do you know anything?
I imagine that she is with the president.
Then that's where I'm going. That's all I need to know.
The president? The president! Miss Lusamine, right? She's a really nice person, so I'm sure she's listened to us if we explain everything.
Yeah, she's real nice, as long as you mean nothing to her.
What? But I'm afraid the doors have been locked. Again!
That's not stopping me.
Oh, so many people. I'm yawning now as well.
My, what naughty children. You should just lay down. You should just lay your heavy heads down.
I'll look it up because I'm not so sure what those are.
But I knew that you would struggle onward. I could see through every action you would take. So I knew you would try to reach the president. And that is why I knew I would be able to ambush you here, just in front of the mansion where the president remains, and remedy my previous failure. The only reason I let you in the lower floor was to buy time to gather more stuff to stop you.
Wow, Mr. Faba, you are so nice. What?
Well, of course. I'm a wonderful branch chief after all. We didn't even have...
Oh no, we didn't have to ask. So much dialogue, man. I get tired.
What? Enough, you lot. Teach these children a lesson.
We don't have time for this. Help me out here, Kakarot.
Hey, Alessio, welcome. Nice to see you. How are you? I'm eating sausages. Go, Gengar! Alright. Let's do this thing. How was my New Year's? I did a stream before midnight. I mean, during the midnight. And we played Quiplash. I don't know if you know what the game is, but basically everybody can join with a tablet and stuff. And it's so funny. And I told them if I don't, it's up to 8 players. And I told them if I don't make a top 3, I will eat a chili. So I ate a chili, and another one, and another one, and another one. Oh my goodness. It was hilarious. It was hilarious. So he's burnt? Alright then. Shadow Ball. Yeah, it burnt a lot. It burned a lot. It burned all night. Oh, I did. I did, Alessio. I really did. Up to 8 in the morning. Up to this morning I was still shooting fire. It was hot. But now I'm fine. It hasn't happened since 8 AM this morning, and it's noon now. Well, it's 1 PM now. 1:30 PM now, so I think I'm better now. I'm okay. I'm confident to say, you know. Alright, which Pokemon? Begrid. And I had people joining in as well on Facecam. We had people joining on video call. Everybody, no, not everybody, but we had people eating peppers with me, so to keep me company, basically. We share the pain.
Use Hydro Bump Attack!
Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh! Ah, that hurts. Oh, both of them. Nebby be lurking. Alright, Begrid is another level up. 47, nice. 40, thank you. 50, thank you. 45, thank you. Agility, I don't think so. No, I'm gonna teach this Pokemon any moves at all. Houndoom. Nice! Alright, another fire type. I can Hydro Pump him again. But I think he's got... I think he's gonna be faster. He's gonna attack first. We'll see. We shall see. Oh no, not again! No! Stupid Manectric. Come on, do something. Now I'm gonna use... You know what? I'm gonna use Salazzle. Come on, we can do this. It's actually sunny out here. It's sunny. I wish I could show you, but I can't. It's very nice and sunny. Like kinda chilly, yes, but nothing major really. It's good. I chose Flamethrower. No, I wanted to choose Toxic. Toxic on Manectric. Ooh, I got better speed. Nice. That reminds me of Amsterdam. It was nice and sunny outside and you're like, oh, what a nice warm day. You step outside and it's freezing cold. Even though there's not a single cloud in the sky and the sun is out and the sky is blue and everything, you step outside and you're dying with cold because it was just cold, you know? Doesn't matter if the sun was out. Alright, let's keep playing. I'm gonna Toxic the other guy as well, because why not? Oh, nice! Nice! That's okay, at least critical hit. Wow, he got everyone! Yeah, the weather changes a lot, yeah. Oh, by the way, Alessio, I mean, yes, you are, we are very close, but it depends whereabouts in Italy are you? Are you like North Italy? Are you South? Which city are you in, if you don't mind me asking? Ah, you're in Rome, okay, so... Yeah, kind of north-ish. I'm like halfway. Is that like halfway through Italy or still lower parts? I'm not so sure actually. Is that halfway through Italy or lower half of Italy? I'm not so sure actually. Oh, I'm planning to visit Rome. Planning to visit Rome in, I think, October. It's gonna be a while. For the time being, in like 2 weeks, I'm going to Sicily. We're going to ski. We're gonna go skiing on the Etna. Use Slash. I'm gonna vlog. from there, so I will share my experience. We're done here. North. It's like central. Okay, alright. If everything goes according to plan, I will visit Rome in like October. We'll see. Things change in my life so fast.
How can this be? To be cornered by mere children.
The only south of Italy that I've been in is, except for Sicily, because I've been to Sicily. I was in Pozzallo. And, but in Italy, actual Italy mainland, I've been to Reggio Calabria. I went there for a day. Just one day. I gave this idea to my friends. You're like, listen, do you want to go to the beach? You're like, yeah. No, but we go to the beach in Italy, Reggio Calabria. So we got on a flight. It's like a 20-minute flight, if I'm not mistaken. We got on a flight, we landed, we went to the beach, we had a few drinks, and we came back by like 10 p.m. 10 in the evening, we came back. You were in Calabria as well. I loved it, huh? Calabria is lovely. That's very nice of you to say, Alessio.
Enough! I will show you the true power of the branch chief Faber.
Didn't you already show me your power and you lost like a humiliating loss? You want to try again? Okay, sure, you want a rematch. I'll give you a rematch. Yeah, I really like Reggio Calabria. So yeah, we went for a day. We went swimming just for a day. You should have seen us on the plane with our swimming shorts and with a towel, with our flip-flops. It was funny. Ah, you brought your friend to battle me now. I see how it is. I see how it is. You brought your friend with you. Okay, I'll bring my friend. Gengar. Alright, so what I'm gonna do now is... I forgot what type of Pokemon is Claydol. I'm gonna find out. Hypnosis? Claydol is dangerous, so I'm gonna hypnotize him first. Yeah, it was cold though, huh? I have to say, it was like July when we went to Reggio Calabria and it was cold. The water was cold, huh? We still swam like crazy. Ooh, that was dangerous. I was looking away. Did my hypnosis not work? Let's try again. In Malta, the beaches are so warm. Yeah, it was cold. I was like, okay. Bye, Raichu. You noob. Ah, he is sleeping. Okay, Noivern, you take care of Ladian, and I'm just gonna take care of Claydol with my Super Dream Eater move. Hey, hello Adi, welcome. Welcome to the stream. Welcome, welcome. I'm starting the year with some Pokemon and some face cam. You like it? You're the second one that says it today. Usually I get hate towards my team. I'm glad you like it. Usually I get hate towards my team. Everybody's like, that is not balanced. And those are some very generic Pokemon. Most of them are Gen 1 when you think about it. Gen 1, Gen 1, Gen 1, Gen 1. I don't care. But anyway, how did I get the shinies? Well, Adi, I don't know if you played Pokemon Silver, Pokemon Gold. That's where I got my Red Gyarados from. From Lake of Rage, remember? The Red Gyarados? I transferred them from Silver to this game. As for my Charizard... Hacks. Hacks. It's a hacked Pokemon. You know? That's how it is. That's how it is. Alright, so... Fight... I went during the winter. I went in July and the water was so cold. It was so cold. I mean, it was good because it helped us sober up. We were drinking by the bar all day, you know, and we were getting tipsy and kind of drunk. We used to go down there in the water and we sober up because it was so cold. But still swimmable. Still swimmable. Swimmable. Okay, Claydol, time to absorb some more health. Come on. Ouch! Ooh! Oh man. They trashed me. I would love to raise a Pupitar. It's been a while since I raised one of those. Bye, Gengar. No problem. No problem. Don't worry. Don't worry. Don't worry. Don't worry. Don't worry. Don't worry. Go, Salazzle. Yeah, but the waters in Malta are very, very warm. I don't know if you've been to Malta. I don't know if we had this conversation before, whether you've been here to Malta or not. But the waters here are very warm. It's lovely in summer here. In fact, I try to, if I can, if it's possible, I try to refrain from going abroad during the summer, because I want to enjoy summer here. I don't want to go anywhere. And if I do go abroad, I try to make sure I'm back by the weekend. If this was Nuzlocke, I know, right? I will do a Nuzlocke. I will. But this is a blind playthrough. This is the first time I'm playing this, so, you know, give me a break. Oh, come on, dude! Yeah, it's very warm. In summer, it's fantastic. Especially July, August. It's beautiful. Unless you don't mind the heat, because it gets really hot and humid here. But it's okay. It's hot and humid in here, but it's lovely. I like it. I mean, you wouldn't mind the hot and humid if you're by the beach, you know? Use Psychic Attack! Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Oh, do you get snow in Rome? I don't know if it's a stupid question, but wow, man, I'm getting trashed. I'm getting owned. Look at that. You don't get snow in Rome. Okay. What about summer? Is it hot? Is it hot? Because I was trying to convince my friend to come with me in October. How's the weather in October? Did snow in 2012 and 1985, okay. Ah, that's good to know. So October will be great, like, it won't be too hot, right? It's just, that's good. It's still hot. That's great, because my friend, she wants it hot. So that's good. Because she was like, October, it's gonna be too late. It won't be hot anymore. And I told her, no, it'll still be fine. So we'll see. We'll see how that goes. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do the smoke screen thing. I like doing this. Thank you, Adi. I hope you have a lovely year too. I would love to visit Mauritius one day. I would love to visit Mauritius. Yeah, just like Malta, Alessio. Just like Malta. It starts getting cold here, chilly, in November. End of November. Yeah. I mean, I've been swimming even in October here. Alright, so. One more smoke screen. You see what happens when you do the smoke screen? He will never attack now. Time to slash it up. Yeah, I couldn't find a moving sprite. Adi, I couldn't find a moving sprite. I was annoyed, but... He's the only one that doesn't move. What did I do? Whatever. Should be fine. Boom. Rip. Charizard! 51. Nice. Ah, he's got more Pokemon. Come on, just end it. I'm gonna do a couple of smoke screens. You know what? I'm gonna be honest. I'm gonna be honest with you, Princess. I don't even have a heater in my apartment. I don't even need a heater. You know. Yeah, my apartment's very cozy. It's very cozy in winter. It's kind of warm in winter. I mean, you know, it doesn't get cold in the winter. And it doesn't get hot in summer. It's nice and cool. I got an AC installed in this room where I stream just because, you know, in case it does get hot during a heat wave or something, you know, and I just can't stream if it's too hot, you know. But that's why I installed. I installed an air conditioning this summer, and I think I only switched it on like 10 times max? 10 times probably, maximum. This might be a stupid question, lol. But, you have played Sun and Moon, right? Yes, I have. Yes, I have. So this is entirely new experience. Well, I played Sun and Moon. I finished Sun and Moon once. So actually, not Sun and Moon. I only finished Moon, actually. I only finished Moon. Digital copy. I bought the hard copy Sun, and I didn't even start it. But I finished those two once, if that makes sense. Now I'm playing this. You know, I know that there isn't much difference between this and... Sorry. You thought about moving to Miami? I don't know. I don't know how I feel about Miami. I think it's nice to visit, but I wouldn't live there, I think. Thanks for giving us the key, Thanks for giving us the key, Mr. Faber. You've been a great help. I think the crime rate is really high in Miami. I don't know. I'm not so sure. If I remember correctly, I think it's quite high, the crime rate over there. Faber's salty. Look at his face. Yeah, I did the Mario. Because basically I'm playing this game and the characters that I have with me, How is Mario, and this guy, Gladion or whatever, is Vegeta. I'm doing the voices. Let's do it again. I don't give this guy a voice though. Whoa! There's like a Uku billion. Uku billion. There's like an Uku billion Team Skull thugs in this place. So the Foundation was really working together with Team Skull. Ah man, so much dialogue. This is what I hate about this game. So much dialogue. I get tired. Even making the voices is tiring. Everybody's sleeping. You taking a nap, man? Mommy. Mommy. That's funny. That jerk Gladion is mad strong, yo. He trashed everybody? Who the heck are you? Ah, you didn't defeat this one, Gladion. Please, can you take care of this guy? What did he say? Gothra! I don't know what he said. Gothra! I've been streaming for 2 hours now, and that's all I've been doing for 2 hours, battling these guys. Team Aether, or whatever they are, and Skull. Well, actually, Skull I just started battling now, but anyway. Gengar! I like the music. I'm gonna put the volume up a little bit in my ear. In my ear, not you guys. Use hypnosis! Oh crap, he avoided the attack. He's gonna bite me probably. Is that how you drain health, Golbat? Alright, that's how it is, alright. Is that how you drain health, Golbat? Is that how you do it? Hmm? All right, Golbat. I'm gonna show you how to drain health. All right, I'm gonna show you now how to do it. This is how you drain health. Like this. I have a great time. Oh, at least it is available, Adi. I didn't know it was available, so thank you for telling me. He's asleep but still flying. Yeah. At least they have closed eyes now, because back in the day, you know, he's asleep. He's asleep, you know? So at least now. Yeah, I know, right? I have good megas. Let's go. I'm gonna get some good megas. That's why. I want Charizard Y for that Charizard. I want him to be Y. That's okay, no problem. No problem. At this point, I think everybody spoiled everything about me, about the game. Alright, so there's no point in using this Pokemon at all. Dream Eater doesn't work, Shadow Ball doesn't work. I'm going to withdraw this Pokemon. I'm going to use Salazzle. Salazzle. I've subbed already and like to. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yeah, I think I didn't hear the notification because the game audio, the computer audio is coming out of my TV, and it's all lowered down, all the way down, and I'm hearing the game from the DS. Because I don't want the audio to get picked up from the TV, from the microphone, because otherwise you guys will get an echo. So I didn't hear the sub alert, but I'm hoping you guys heard it. I don't know. Now I'm gonna toxify this guy. Thank you, Adi. I appreciate that. I stream Pokemon a lot. I love Pokemon. And I want to make it a lot about Pokemon this year. I want to... Ooh! Can I attack first again? I don't think I can. I'm gonna try Leech Life. Yes! I should get some good. Nice. Yeah, I heard the sub alert. Awesome. Yeah, is that another takedown? Was that it? Another takedown? Was that it? Yep. That's okay. So this year, I'm planning to play Pokemon again. All of them from the beginning. And when I get to Diamond and Pearl, after that, I would like to move the team. From Diamond and Pearl to Pokemon Battle Revolution on the Wii. So I actually get to play like in 3D, kind of. So I look forward to that. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm going to choose my Gengar now. You know why? No! Wrong attack! That Gengar was... And now he dies. I had a plan and I chose the wrong attack. That was a double edge. Man, I chose the wrong attack. That wasn't what I had in mind. That was not what I have in mind. Oh, hold on. The green screen moved. Alright, there we go. I'm still very iffy on the green screen, to be honest with you. I don't have enough light, so I'll sort out the light later this month, perhaps. We'll see. Okay, I think we're done here. Please heal me. Yeah, exactly. Because I chose the wrong attack. I had a plan. Whatever. Whatever. Oh, and I don't wear shirts and ties for my streams. This is just, you know, because to start the year. You know. Alright. Did he lose? Looks like Guzma defeated Gladian, apparently.
You had some real guts.
Alright, I'm gonna give this guy Guzma the Nappa voice.
Going so far as come over to teams.
Well, I can't even read.
Going so far as coming over to Team Skull and rejecting your own mother. That was impressive. And now it's your turn. You little misfits keep getting up in my grill like a cloud of smoke that I can't brush away. It's time I put out your fire at the source.
Alright. And no pants. That is a thing. No, that is a thing. No pants. That is a thing. You know, I can be dressed up from here up, but always no pants at the bottom. Always. Now then, Golisopod is a water type Pokemon, so I'm just gonna keep going with this guy because I don't know if he's also a ground type, so I'm not gonna switch to my Pikachu. I'm gonna go with the Psychic. Your Psychic attack! Sucker Punch. Whoopsie. Oh, I forgot he's Psychic. I keep forgetting my Metang is Psychic. Except for the fact that he has an attack called Psychic, but his team is quite hard. Watch out. Yeah, thanks for the heads up. We'll see what I can do. I'm gonna let this guy faint now. Whatever. Actually, you know what? Let's take him down like this. Ah, crap. That's okay. That's okay. That's okay. That's okay. Can I use... I'm gonna do some research. I don't care. It doesn't count as cheating. I'm gonna look up what type of Pokemon he is. Hold on. So his name is Golisopod. H-I-A-B-C-D-E-F-G-G-O-L... I'm gonna check real quick if I can hit him with the thunder. He's a bug type. Alright, I think we're okay then. I think we're gonna be okay. Pikachu, go! Bug water, yeah, I just saw it now, sorry. I didn't see that. Alright, so. Pikachu, I love this Z move. Have you ever seen this, Tiffany? I'm sure you did. But I love this so much! Look at this, look at this, look at this! My last sausage. Nice, Pikachu. One hit kill. Bye, have a great time. One down. How many to go? Hurricane. Let me see what you have. No. No. Three to go? Oh, there you go. Yeah, 3 to go. Pinsir. Switch Pokemon? Yes. And we're gonna go with Charizard. Come on, Charizard. Don't let me down, my son. He's level 45 and I'm level what? I think I'm 50, right? 51. Flamethrower. We should be okay. Come on. He goes first. He still goes first. And he trashed me. No! I'm 5 levels better than him and still... Wow. That's okay, we can handle this. Don't worry, don't worry, don't worry, don't worry, don't worry. No problemo. I wanna do... I think he's gonna trash me with... I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna try it anyway. Stone Edge. Ah! Yeah, I knew it. Let's do this. I feel like this is cheating, to be honest with you. I don't like doing this, but desperate measures. How many does he have with Stone Edge? Like 5? Probably more, eh? I'm confused. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Should I do a crunch or a hydro pump? I'm gonna go with hydro pump. I don't care. Why doesn't he run out of Stone Edge? That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna revive a bunch of Pokemon. Pikachu's just gonna stand here for to distract him while I heal my Pokemon. That's what I'm gonna do. I got a max revive. Should I use it now? No. I'm gonna revive my Charizard. Oh, critical, of course. Of course a critical. That's okay, don't worry, don't worry, don't worry. We got Charizard out now. Can I go first? Can I attack first? Probably not. He has more Stone Edge! Okay. Alright, no. That was very cheap though. That's okay. Plus, some of my Pokemon were damaged, so that's a lot of damage. That's okay. That's fine. Don't worry. Don't worry. Don't worry. Don't worry. We got this. Mimikyu. I want to raise a Mimikyu one of these days. So, which way do I go now? Lead with Salazzle? I don't know. Salazzle is weak though. Where do I go? Am I supposed to be here? Is this where I'm supposed to go? Am I going the right way? I don't know. Oh, hello. I was meant to pick this up. Uh-oh. Whoa! Rare candy, nice. Alright, so which floor? Entrance, I suppose, eh? Ah, I think this woman heals me, yes? Or not? No, she only healed me once, but up there, up there, up there, up there, up there. Bye, Faba. I'm gonna lead with Salazzle, like you said. I mean, he's a very weak Pokemon if you ask me, but I'm gonna trust you. Wait, he starts with what? I forgot the Pokemon he starts with. He starts with Golisopod. It's not good to start with. It's not good to start with Salazzle, no. I'm gonna start with Pikachu. I'm gonna start with Pikachu. Because he starts with Golisopod, no? If I'm not mistaken. Yeah. So I'll do the thing, I'll do the thunder thing. We got this. We got this. I'm telling you guys. I'm telling you, it's gonna work.
Blah 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 blah.
Yeah, he is. He is. It's okay. No worries. I keep saying he. Salazzle is a she, actually. Let's do this right away. What? 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 What just happened? I was looking away. What happened? What the heck happened? All right. Trying to think my strategy now. I honestly don't need Matang for this fight, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this opportunity to revive Pikachu again. And in the meantime, Golisopod's health goes down with Toxic, so that's how it's gonna be. Bag. Actually, I'm gonna revive Salazzle. Maybe I can poison more, guys. What am I doing? Oh wow, I didn't know that, Addy. I had no idea. Alright, going again. Where's my healing? Oh. Where's the... I thought I bought potions. Didn't I buy potions? Full restore. Revives, I got 17. Paralyze, awakening, burn, heal, full heal. Where are they? I don't know. I thought I had more. Whatever, man, whatever. Let's keep going. Emergency exit. Whoa-oh! Can I attack first, please? And Pinsir is like, nope. Alright, so, trying to think what to do next. I really want to... I don't think it's gonna work. I want this to work, but it's not gonna work, is it? Nope, that Stone Edge is killing me, man! Yeah, I'm gonna save Gengar for last, though. Actually, you know what? You know what? No, now. Let's do this, man. Oh, of course it won't work. No! No! What the heck? It's like he's got a super effective move against every one of my Pokemon. Are you kidding me? I'm gonna try something. This didn't work. This didn't work. Well, my speed went up, so... I should attack first now. Please don't miss! The thing is, I don't have enough speed to outspeed Pinsir. I don't have enough speed. My goodness! Alright, no. I'm not gonna trust Pikachu. I'm not gonna trust Pikachu. Alright, let's try with Matang. Come on. Ah, Charizard is... No! Man, welcome to the stream, Jangmo. Man, I'm getting trashed. It's like he's got a super effective move for every single one of my Pokemon. Alright, let's try again. Snowstorm? What's that? I think he's out of Stone Edge. And he got the critical, of course. Of course. Moxie. I just got stronger. Of course, you've got a Vikavolt. Of course. Should I dare myself a Dragon Dance? Come on, Dragon Dance! Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on! Yeah, I knew I was gonna do a Thunderbolt. Come on, can you resist the attack? No! No more Pokemon that can fight. Yeah, that's okay. That's okay. It just makes the game more challenging for me. I don't mind. I really don't mind. Plan B. What's Plan B? Buy more healing stuffies? That's okay. I mean, I don't mind losing over and over. It's good training anyway, so. I thought I bought potions, though. I didn't, apparently. Ooh. Yeah, I do have Z moves, but whatever. We'll see. I have to do the walking again. What island am I on? I don't know. Chluff, chluff. So now I just go up here. Go to the entrance. Okay, so, I like the idea of having Salazzle and toxicifying everybody. So I'm just gonna leave Salazzle just to perform Toxic. We'll see how that goes. And then I'll switch out. Actually, he's gonna do the first impression. That's the thing. That's the thing. He might do the first impression thing. We'll see. Shiny Baneri. What does Baneri evolve into? I mean, I know he evolves into the big bunny with, like, hand-like arms, ear things. But what's he called? Bunnelby. Is that it? Bunnelby, yes? No. Lopunny? Yeah, that's... So, who evolves into Bunnelby? I'm confused. Hold on, let me just look it up. So many Pokemon, it's hard to keep track these days. Baneri. Bunnelby. So who's Bunnelby then? Ah, okay. So that's Bunnelby. And he evolves into... Okay, I confused him with another type of bunny Pokemon. Diggersby. That's what I went for. Alright, I just wanted to look it up. Oh, I'm so funny. That's another Pokemon. Yeah, exactly. I looked it up. To seem smart. Alright, we're gonna do this. This is it. This is it. This is the GG. And this is my last battle. If he defeats me now, I'm calling it. I'm quitting. I'm calling the end of the stream.
Go, Lizard.
Come on, if you can just do a Toxic, I'll be very happy. Fight Toxic. Come on, can you do this for me? Yes! No, he's gonna do the Razor Shell. That's okay. At least he's Toxic. No, it's not really Rage Quit. I need to start cooking some food. I'm getting hungry. That's why. No, it's not really Rage Quit. It's time for me to... now, what do I do? Switch with Pikachu. Can you pull this off for me, Pikachu? With the Z power and everything, can you do this? Come on. Yes, he is. Come on. One down. Hunger quit. Yeah, exactly. Pika!
Pikachu!
So basically, I gave him Toxic for nothing. That's fine. One down. One down. Alright, so. Agility. No. Now, you said that my Pikachu can outrun, can outspeed the Pinsir? Do you think so? I'm gonna give it a try. I'm gonna give it a go. I wanna check the moves though. Thunder has an attack of 110 and Iron Tail has an attack of 100. So I'm gonna go with Thunder. Please don't miss. But it doesn't make a difference because he goes first. Nope, I cannot outspeed him. That speed. I don't think Gengar's gonna do anything either. Let's try with Gengar again. Man! I'm getting my butt kicked. Oh! Come on! Did you see that? You know what I'm gonna do? You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna switch. I'm gonna switch. I'm gonna switch. And I'm gonna take out my Charizard. while he's asleep. Real quick. Nobody! Let's go, 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 go! Come on, go, 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 go! Stay sleeping! Come on! You got this. No! Eee! Are you freaking kidding me? Let's try again. Try again. It's a shiny one, nobody. It's a shiny one. Oh my goodness, I didn't drain much health out of him. Alright, again. Ooh, so close, come on! Ooh, he's still sleeping now. Do you see what you get when you mess with the warrior, huh? Nah, I just wanted to drain that last little bit as well. I wanted that health. I wanted that. I needed that. Okay. Vika Volt. Now, I know this is fast as well, but can I outspeed him with my hypnosis again? Come on, come on. Yes. Yes. Finally. Let's just reabsorb the health and get our health back up to 100%. I woke up. All right, can we pull off another one? Yes! Oh my goodness. At least the game is on my side now. It feels like the tables have turned a little bit. Man. Come on. Don't wake up. Don't wake up. Critical hit. Nice. Oh, he woke up again, of course. Of course. Alright, alright, alright. We got this though. We're almost there. Matang. It's probably gonna outspeed me though. It's gonna outspeed me with this one. I don't know. Yeah, bug buzz. Are you kidding me? Ah, man. Can I outspeed them with my Gyarados? Just one hit. Just one hit is all I need. Can I outspeed with my Gyarados? Can I pull this off? The Dragon Rage? Let's do this. Finally. Alright, I didn't know he had another one actually. I thought that was the last one. So here we go again. Can I do a Dragon Dance? Can I pull it off? I'm gonna do a Dragon Dance. Air Slash. Now Crunch. Maybe he flinches. Come on. Come on, flinch! No. I lowered my speed, alright. Was that Icy Wind? Oh, come on, dude! Ah, he flinched! Are you kidding me? freaking killing me. Crunch doesn't flinch. Hey, cheer! Pulls pants off. Here's your dragon dance. Oh my goodness. Hey, cheer. That was funny. That was funny. Revive. Should I revive Charizard? I was just gonna. I'm pretty sure I bought full restore hyper potion. There we are. I'm just gonna go with Big Red again. All is well, cheer. Nice to see you. How are you feeling, by the way? No, 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 no. Fight. Fight! Crunch, come on, Crunch. So Crunch apparently doesn't flinch. I thought it would. My bad. I have no hand! Oh, where's my hand? Hey Mark, hello, nice to see you. Welcome, welcome everybody. I'm playing some Pokemon.
Yes! Hey, what is up with you? How come I can't smash you?
You did 3 times, but hey. The hand. Oh, hold on. We can do a funnier one actually. Hold on. No head. Yesterday was floating head. Today no head. Oh man.
Guzma, what is wrong with you? Looks like I got no choice. Go on through.
Oh man, more guy. Oh, these guys. This is the mustache guy. Look, he always strokes his mustache. Look at him, look at him, look at him. He's always stroking his mustache.
It has been some time since we last met, trial-going trainer. I do not know if you have learned anything more about the blinding one, but it seems we might now have the means to do what we came to do. If a Pokemon caught in a Pokeball can be made to obey the orders of the one who catches it, then we should be able to control Necrozma. Pokemon caught in Pokeballs are loyal to the trainers who hold them. It should be the same for Necrozma. So we will need you to leave us in peace so we may do our job.
Captain Baiko, they only seem worried for Cosmog's safety. And they are able to use Z-moves, the power of the blinding one.
Are you suggesting that we rely on children to stand against the wild fury of Necrozma? It's not Kinder Bueno, I mean Kinder Surprise, I mean it's Kinder to stop them here, rather than send them against that thing.
Yeah, sometimes I lose my head, literally. I will battle you! I'll command, dude, I really need to heal. Stop. Did somebody heal me? Am I healed? Oh man! Ah! Ooh, I love the music. Hey Shadow, welcome to the stream. I didn't heal. Yeah, I can see that. All right, what's Poipole? It's a Ultra Beast. Yes, Ultra.
Hydro Pump attack now!
Special defense.
No, use Hydro Pump! Gyarados!
Oops. Whoa, that wasn't strong. That was not good. Crunchy. With the nasty plot, enough with the nasty plot! No, I don't like that. I'm gonna die, I know I'm gonna die. That's okay.
Use Crunch! Captain Crunch!
Poison jab. Look at that! Ah, you booblet! Are you kidding me? That is so cheap. Yeah, I should heal. I should heal some Pokemon. So. Booblets. I know, right? That's okay, no problem, Shadow. No problem. Don't poison. Okay, we're good, we're good, we're good, we're good. Now then, should I do Hydro Pump again?
Use Hydro Pump attack!
Nah, Hydro Pump is weak. I mean weak. For some reason, it's not doing much against this guy. I'm gonna stick with Crunch. Toxic. That's okay. That's okay. That's okay. Alright, we're good. Is the mustache guy also gonna challenge me now? I don't want that. I forgot the voice I gave Fico.
How infuriating. It is most unsatisfying to find something that our technology cannot overcome. It seems that we might yet be able to resolve this somehow if we could use the Z-Power. And yet, our expertise when it comes to battling with Pokemon is so terribly insufficient.
We will find a way to deal with Necrozma. You children should pursue your own dreams. Don't end up with the same kinds of regrets that we have. Blah, blah, blah.
Hey, V4! Were you there last night when we did the stream of the chili? Were you there? I don't recall. I don't remember. I don't remember much. I don't remember much. But I removed the stream, by the way, so you missed the opportunity to see it now. I removed the stream. It's gone. RIP. That's the beauty of that stream. If you're present, you get to enjoy it. If you're not there, it's gone. Bye. You have a great time. I had to remove it. I had to. I just had to. It's in my archives forever, though. It's afternoon here, actually. It's 2:30 in the afternoon. Okay, I don't know the voices here, so I'm just gonna read. Ah, Vloggy, it's been a while since... Vloggy, it's been a while since we last saw you. What? Weren't you kidnapped? What are you doing with your mom? You came! Get giddy. Okay, no problem, Django. Thank you so much for hanging out. Make sure you drop a like on your way out. You know, it's that little button with the thumbs up. Please. Take care. So you know one another. A gifted young trainer like Vloggy. Vloggy? Who's Vloggy? And he bothers with someone like you? Oh, hello. How disappointing. Let's give her a Wesker voice. No. Alright, let's give Lily Wesker voice. I don't need your approval, mother. Or your permission. I will save Cosmog.
Calling me mother. I don't have any children. Certainly not any wretched children.
Look at that. I'm giving women men voices.
Certainly not any wretched children who would run off and reject my love. So tell me, how you save that Pokemon? What can you do, Lily?
You failed to get... Oh man, the only thing... There's so much dialogue, man. It's so terribly unattractive. The voice is top notch. Oh man.
Protect this world, mother. This is what you're trying to do.
What is it you try? I can't even read. What is it you're trying to do? Am I becoming dyslexic or something?
Is that why you want Nebby? Is that... is that what you would sacrifice Cosmog for?
Alright, come on, let's end this. Beep boop beep. Then the mirror becomes a door. Or a teleportation device or something. I'll be using Cosmog you stole for a great purpose! You have to keep it safe until now. For that, I thank you. Bye, have a great time. Mother! Vloggy, I'm really happy you came after me. Please heal my Pokemon. Please heal my Pokemon. Please heal my Pokemon. Oh my goodness. Let's heal. Because I'm not trusting anything or anybody. Can you heal them for me? I'm gonna cough a little bit. Hold on. Mother of the year. Before, I know, right? Alright. Let's go again. So, what I'm gonna do... Sorry, I exited the bag by mistake. Let's revive a bunch of Pokemon. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then we're going to give them some hyper potions. 1. Vloggy babe of the century. V4. I'm kidding. What? You mean the water? No, it's not Dasani now. So, Pikachu, Matang, Charizard, Big Red, Gengar. You see, who needs a Pokemon Center? And I'm going Heal Powder. There we go. I'm healed. I don't need stupid Pokemon Centers. Let's go. Beep boop beep. Bye bye, good time. What is this place? There's a Starmie in a box. If you want to see, you'd better hurry this way. Hurry, buddy! Hurry! I wanna see! Actually, I do have PPs, Adi. Remember, I just got trashed right away. Those are like one-hit kills that I died, so PPs are fine, I think, most of them. Don't worry. What do you think? It's my private collection. My precious... Actually...
My precious babies. They will all be preserved for eternity here.
The Pikachu seems to be happy frozen. Oh, Pikachu. Oh, Pikachu. Ooh, that's almost an upskirt up there. Did you guys see that? Almost an upskirt. Oh, man. So I will open the Ultra Wormhole and take on the Pokemon that would steal our light. I will capture even poor Necrozma. Peekaboo. This guy's so annoying. Maybe I am, I don't know, Cheer. Maybe. Maybe. Oh, he's waving at you, Cheer. Wave at him. This guy abuses waving. Wahoo! Whoa, and Lily. I'm so glad you're okay. Yay! This is no time to jump and... Ugh, dude. Where's the evil voice? Alright.
Ah, sweet Hal. So you came too. I know better than to expect much from the members of the Ultra Recon Squad, but really, couldn't Guzma even stop a few children? Listen to us, please! Don't open the Ultra Wormhole, Kakarot! We can't lose anyone else. Not like we lost Father. Do you think I've forgotten? As if I could have forgotten what happened that day. I hate the ultra wormholes from the depths of my being. But that is why I will be the one to go. I will not let anyone stop me. Not even my own daughter and son.
And now it's like the plot twist.
What? What? Daughters? Son?
And that's when I realized, like, oh, they're all blondes, yeah. They kind of look like each other. It's true, huh? When you think about it.
You're all family? And what is this, Star Wars?
I know, right, Addy? I was just thinking the same thing. Maybe it's a dare. Maybe she lost a bet or something.
But I will still save them. With all the endless love of the President for the Ether Foundation, as someone tasked with the protection of all Pokemon. I was able to open the Ultra Wormhole using just the gases we extracted from Cosmog when it was an Ether Paradise, wasn't it? Wasn't I? Wasn't I? Mew!
Blarb.
And now I have Cosmog itself inside this crate here. If I use its entire body, I should be able to control the Ultra Wormhole.
Can you imagine if like a sexy woman has that voice?
Please, stop. If Nebby isn't... Like when we ran away from the paradise, it couldn't even move for ages after death. Please, if you use too much of its power, it will die.
I am Lusamine, or Lusamine, or whatever my name is. This is my streaming setup. Look, it's opening.
Lose a mind. Lose a mind. It's interesting. Maybe. Maybe that's what they went for. I don't know. Maybe it's a pun.
Oh, it's coming out. It's coming out. It's coming. Giggity. What? How could this be? Oh. Oh. Oh, you're trying to resist, aren't you, Cosmog? But why? For Lily's sake, perhaps? How gallant are you? How gallant you are. You love Lily, don't you? Perhaps Gladiator and Lily have both grown up a bit since leaving Aether. But I still won't allow them to interfere with this. If I'm going to protect the Pokemon of Alola, I must go through the Ultra Wormhole and meet this Necrozma. I will have Cosmog open the Ultra Wormhole. You just said that already. Why are you repeating yourself? If I will use all the power in its cage to ensure that they cannot resist any further, blah 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 blah. And now there's everybody's showing up. You didn't come.
No, Mommy, no.
Mother, if you disappear too... Now you worry for me? Fine, Gladian. I will do that. I must put your worries to rest by demonstrating my strength in battle. Oh, it's a Pokemon battle now? Come on, dude. Oh, now it's Vloggy. Don't include me in this. This is a family matter, and I'm battling her.
It's a good thing I healed, right? Alright, lose a mind. Let's do this. Oh, hello. Hot, hot, hot.
Clefable!
Do I have better speed? I just want better speed. Can I poison you? That's all I want from you. Just the poison. Toxic. Come on, toxic. Bloop. Now then, what if I try to do some leech life? I don't know if this works. I'm gonna try. Nope. That does nothing. Is Toxic not doing anything to Clefable? Hey Lily, welcome. Nice to see you. Welcome to the stream. So, I'm noticing that Toxic is not working. Is Toxic working? Why is Toxic not working? What the heck is going on? I don't know. It's like it's poisoned for nothing. Oh, this Pokemon is a tank. Alright, I'm going all out. What if I use Metal Claw actually? Hold on. Do you guys see that? It's poisoned and it's not draining her health? What is going on? Why is it poisoned and it's not working? Oh, come on! Stupid that it's poisoned, that's nothing's going on. I don't know why this is happening, but anyway. I don't know. I don't know. Je ne sais pas. Je ne sais pas. Come on, don't fail me, Thunder. Actually, no, use Iron Tail. Ooh, come on, man! I can't lose it like this. Come on. Thank you so much, Lily. Thank you so much. Clefable has an ability that allows it to take damage from attacking moves only. Ah, Magic Guard, so no Toxic. Ah, what a waste of effort. It's up to send Lilligant. What is a Lilligant? Hold on. H-I-J-K-L-I-L-L Lilligant. What's that? That's a grass type? Yep. Alright, that's okay. Switch Pokemon. We're gonna be okay. We gonna be okay. If I do say so myself. Flamethrower! Wow! They have better speed than I do. Two down. How many more to go? Oh, Melodic. Ah! Wow. Speed worries me. I may not be able to do this. I'm gonna try something though. Speed is what worries me. If they attack first, I'm doomed. Hypnosis. Yes. I don't risk it because I don't know if my Pikachu is faster or not. Now I'm gonna find out. Woke up! Are you kidding me? I'm getting angry now. Hey, Dreamy Max Dreamy! Is that... Yeah, that's right. Welcome to the stream. Nice to see you. Yeah, first day of the year. Playing some Pokemon. I hope you have a lovely year, buddy. Try again with hypnosis. I don't care if it's cheap. I'm gonna keep doing this. I don't care. Somebody said that Z-Move is a tank. So I am going to listen. I'm going to listen. Never-ending nightmare. Nice. Still not good enough. Let me see the powers of the power 80 and 100. I'm gonna go with Dream Eater. I don't care. As long as he doesn't wake up. All right, let's go. He lowered my speed. He might go first again now. Yeah. Oh, come on! Are you freaking kidding me? I'm gonna crunch it up. Crunch it up! He's flailing. That means he's panicking. That's what I like to think. Yeah, the thing is, Lily, in my stream, kind people only. That's it. Kind people only. Alright, here we go. Who's next? Low Punny? I'm scared of this Pokemon. I don't know why, but I'm scared. Dragon Dance! Let's see what you got. Dizzy Punch. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Don't confuse me, please. I'm gonna go another one. I'm gonna do another one. Let's see if I can do another one real quick. Come on, let's do this. Can we do this? Let's see how strong it got now, my move. Hydro Pump. Meh! No! My goodness! I did 2 Dragon Dances and it was for nothing. Wait, I'm new here. So what's the thing with the pants? Can someone explain? Oh, it's the currency, Adu. Basically, it's the currency. The more you watch the stream, the more you chat in the stream. All right, you earn more pants points. All right, to see how many pants you have, you just put the exclamation pants, exclamation, and put the pants on. All right, let's see. I'm worried right now. I'm a bit worried. How powerful is the move Slash? It's 70 and my flamethrower is 90. I'm gonna go with flamethrower. Fire Punch. Come on! Stop the Thunder Punch. Oh my goodness, that is a strong Pokemon. That is a scary strong Pokemon. Come on, come on! I'm gonna try something. Hold on. I got a strategy, guys. Here's what we're gonna do. Let's play a game real quick. Alright, let's play a game. If I manage to defeat this beware, whatever, bear. I'm gonna give everyone in chat right now 500 pants points. Everyone who's in chat right now. If I manage to defeat this beware. Alright? Are you guys ready? Here we go. I have a strategy. I'm gonna try my best, guys. I want to give you those pants. Here we go. Smoke screen. Yes! Another smoke screen. No more chili. Alright, I'm definitely winning this now. I'm sure of it. I hope. I'm gonna do two more smoke screens. This is the third one. There we go! He's missing! Last smoke screen, and then I'll start attacking. Big time. Yeah, I'll twerk if I lose. But I'm not gonna lose. Alright, here we go. Alright. Make sure everyone is active in chat because I'm about to reward 500 pants to everyone. Make sure you're active in chat because if not, you'll miss out. Hold on, I'm about to do it now. In 3. No! Yeah, it was bound to happen. I dropped my DS. And the cable came off. Oh my goodness, man. I dropped my DS. But the thing is, it hung, so, I mean, it didn't actually crash on the ground. Like, it kind of touched the ground, but it didn't actually, because the cable's actually, I almost dropped it again. Alright, so, wow, I need to be careful, because the setup here is a bit messy. So, reward everybody in chat. I'm about to reward 500 pants points to everybody. There we go. Hey, Ivan! Welcome to the stream! Alright, is everything still working? Yes, it is. I almost dropped the DS. Ooh, I need to clean him up a little bit. Come on, Charizard, let's clean you up. Oh, it's not working. What do I do? Is it this one? No, it was the cloth. Let's wipe the dirt with the cloth. Okay, I cleaned the wing. Now I'm gonna clean his leg. And then his arm, or his hand, whatever. Hey, it's a happy Charizard again! Oh man, I was worried about my DS. My DS. I have a regular 3DS. I don't know where it is. Hold on, let me see if I can find it. Because I've got facecam now, so I can show you guys. Hold on. So, I have... Did I hit something? I must have. So this is my regular 3DS. It's kind of greenish. So, it kind of goes invisible because it's green. You know, look at that. Let me see, let me see, let me see. Can we make it go invisible? Kind of, look. Kind of. Anyway, so yeah, this is my 3DS, my regular 3DS. This is the one I use to play around. It has a big screen and everything. So yeah, this is 3DS XL, right? Yes, yes, that's right. And then, the one to stream with, I have a 2DS. It's this one right here. Because this one has a built-in capture card. Built-in, I mean, I had to pay extra to get that. So that I can stream with it. But yeah. Alright. Oh, Vloggy was strong. Actually, this, the 2DS, cost me more than this. Because of the capture card. But I love streaming. What can you do? Alright, so... You gathered a lot of pants today. Alright, hey, Vloggy, you are strong. You should carry on with your island challenge, not bother me, please. I want to see the cutscene and then call it. Wow, 3 o'clock. I should have stopped streaming an hour ago. Perhaps I've made you feel uneasy about my ability to handle this task. I will be fine. I won't be alone. Guzma, with me. Yes, ma'am. Yes. You did say yes, ma'am. Oh my goodness. I didn't know he was going to say that. Yes, ma'am. Crazy eyes, Guzma. I'm off to capture Necrozma. Yes, she is a flirt. Yes. Just like you, V4. You are a flirt too. I'm kidding. I'm kidding, V4. You know I kid. You know I kid. I joke. I kid. I'm off to capture Necrozma. Wait! Let me go! My partner Noel was born to be a beast killer! What's going on? I've traded
all this time to be able to battle on the other side of the ultra wormhole.
I know I am. I'm a flirt too. You are a sweet boy. But don't worry, you can leave it all in my hands. Children really would be much happier if only... You love it. Come on. Cutscene, cutscene! Shh. That was it? That was the cutscene? That's it? That was the cutscene. That wasn't even worth me turning off the face cam. Sexu. I like Sexu more than sexy. Sexu. Alright. Mother. Why? Nebby, are you alright? He's a box now. He's become a box. Oh yeah, he's in like this comatose thing. No, it's fine. I'm experimenting. Should I turn off face cam when I see cutscenes? I think I should, you know. It's just, you know, you get to enjoy the thing full screen rather than just watching me, you know, be stupid and stuff. Stupid and stuff. Seems like your Pokemon is useless now. He's just a paperweight. Come on. Let's get out of here.
Come on. Let's get out of here. Nothing good can happen here.
No, don't mention. We are all unharmed. Oh, thank goodness. She's like the only nice person in this game. The girl with the... Yeah, that's the point. That's the point. I gave Gladion the Vegeta voice. That's on purpose. That's on purpose. I gave Gladion the Vegeta voice. How the Super Mario voice?
Yeah, maybe. But there's still a ton we have to do. There's the President and Guzma who both disappeared into the wormhole. Not to mention Cosmog and why it stopped moving like that. Even if she is like that, Luzamine is still our mother. We can't just leave her in some unknown world on her own. Even if it's to capture Necrozma. Even if she doesn't come back, Kakarot.
The words we just heard, is that the truth? Lucamine, what kind of human is she? She acted so kind and caring, and beneath the surface, she thought of none but herself. The mustache stroking guy.
So this was all for our shellfish satisfaction. Shellfish satisfaction. Or does she simply feel too much responsibility to take everything upon herself to fix? What is she thinking? What an incomprehensible individual. Though that is much as we had heard. In truth, we are not strong. We have not succeeded. I can't even read, man. I'm getting... I can't even read. We have not needed to be. We have not needed to be. That doesn't make sense. We have not needed to be. We use technology to resolve any problems that arise in our lives. Don't worry about it, Adi. No problem. This is why we had discussed finding some humans that we could send through our world to battle with Pokemon on our behalf. Yay! Yeah, fight my fights, please. I want someone with... I have no idea who he is, so I cannot do it.
What was that you said? You said you were going to send someone back to your world? Do you know any other way to open an ultra wormhole?
The altar on Pony. Pony! I cannot do SpongeBob. I'll try. The Pokemon that appears there is known as the beast that calls the moon. Is that how SpongeBob sounds? I barely watched SpongeBob in my life. Like maybe watched once or twice. Is that how he sounds like? But to think that those two hope to capture the Necrozma on their own. Do people of this world truly have so much confidence in their strength in Pokemon battle? I can do Scooby. I can do Scooby.
Uh-oh. Okay.
If the Necrozma awakens, it will hunger for light, and it will descend upon Alola to take it. Our world. Ultra Megapolis is a world without any light left in it, after all. We know that darkness that once fell upon Alola was driven back with light, and that is what the old legend and myths tells us. But in all our investigations, they have not learned that the light was I'm so tired of reading. Scooby-Doo. Hey, Red!
Uh-oh.
Okay, Scoob! I cannot do Shaggy, but True can do a decent Shaggy, so me and him are like Scooby and Shaggy.
Yeah, Scooby snacks!
If your friends... Stop. Heal me, please. We'll take you up on that. Yeah. Yeah, I'm beat! I think I'll stay here. I want to spend time trying to understand what it is my mother might have been thinking. You read, I'm still playing this game. I still haven't beaten this game. I'm not even kidding. The next day. I tried to do a nice narrator voice, but Vloggy, Miss Lily's waiting outside. If you're ready. No, I'm gonna do a butler voice.
Miss Lily is waiting outside if you are ready to meet her, sir.
Cutscene. This is the part where she kinda turned hot. Yeah, she's like I decided to become tough now. You know, she did the transformation. I call it the miscongeniality makeover. Is that miscongeniality? Yes, was it? I forgot. Anyway, so of those movies where as you have that like that woman, average, and then she turns a hottie into the end. In the end, do you think they suit me? I don't know. Oh man, there's nothing like pissing off a woman. Oh man, she's 11. Ah! Oh man. It's funny when you think about it. Like I watch the anime and stuff, and you know, I watch Ash, and it's hard to believe that Ash is 10 years old. 10 is very young, like. Never piss off a girl. I know, right? I know, right? I know, right? I mean, yes, you can piss off a girl, but if you can, only if you can get away with it, you know? You have to do it very... It's like... I like to call it poking the bear, you know? You can poke the bear. You shouldn't poke a bear, but you can only poke the bear if you know you're gonna get away with it. No manners, Vloggy. There's that point. Ash is 12. He had 2 birthdays. Really? Okay, I don't know. I don't know. So,
Hup, 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 my Z form. Hup, yeah, hup, hup.
The sun flute.
windmill. Oh man, you guys. I'm gonna go cook some chicken now, huh? I'm done. I got a Master Ball. You know what that means? It's time to capture a legendary. Catch my Pokemon without any fail. I'm counting on you to save my family now. This is the least I can do.
Deal with the mess. I have to clean up Ether Paradise. All I wanted was to be able to protect everybody together with Null.
And I spit on my microphone. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, microphone. Oh, V4. I wouldn't know anything about that. I wouldn't. I don't know. It's not my thing. It's not my thing. Alright.
I will give you a kiss.
I hate how so much. Oh, I wish I could punch him. I wish. Or slap him. I'd be happy with a slap. No need for a punch. Punch is too bad. I wish I could slap some sense into him. Stop smiling and stop waving. And I am a very happy and positive person in general, you know? You know, personally. But that is too much. That is too much. He's always hyped about something. Yay, we're in danger! I didn't even read the last dialogue. I'm so tired. So, what's this? It's quite a change. You mean Lily? You mean how? What's going on? What? Oh, time for a Roto Loto. Roto Loto time! Here we go! What's that? That's an amazing power. PP restores. Okay. 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 Now, where do I go from? I'm gonna save here, actually. I need to start cooking and I need to head out. So, yeah, I've been streaming for like 3.5 hours. So, I'm gonna call it. It's been a fun stream, if I do say so myself. And I save with a Y button. Save. I'm gonna continue this next time. Next time is the... I'm sure next time is the legendary. So, I don't know if I'm gonna try to catch the legendary without the Master Ball. Just to save the Master Ball for another legendary, perhaps. I don't know. We'll see. Maybe Red can guide me. Or, yeah, Red. I want Red. Make sure you're there. I'm gonna go, guys. I'm gonna go. This was fun. This was fun. I want to thank every single one of you that showed up and kept me company during this stream. Wait, what? You guys are what make the stream. You guys are what make the stream interesting, not me. If it wasn't for you guys, I'd be talking to myself. And that is something I do. I'm kidding. I'm gonna go. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, everyone. Thank you for thank you, Daryl, for the sponsor, and thanks for the new subs as well, including Tim, Samuse. Thank you so much for subscribing. Yeah, thanks for everything, guys. I will see you probably either tomorrow or the day after. Bye. Have a great time.